break from sanding because I need a break, and I need to figure out what I'm going to do with this bracket and pulley system and the intake manifold. If you saw on a couple of videos ago, it's too tall. The intake's too tall. Well, we'll take a closer look. Well, so once again, this is an LS. It's actually from a truck in my Cobra. Obviously, this truck intake is very tall, and I half knew it wasn't going to fit anyway. The hood does come to rest right here. So I could just replace the intake manifold with something lower, but the other problem is this water outlet from the water pump is also too tall right here, and that has to do with how this this coolant exits this water pump. It comes up and then out this way. The third thing is this alternator is probably too high. The hood line is right here. That needs to be changed. So I've already got a new bracket and pulley system from ICT Billet. So all this needs to come off. I'm still working on figuring out what I'm going to do with the intake manifold and educating myself on what are some of my options. But the first thing is definitely all of this has to come off. The new intake, or the new bracket and pulley system, is supposed to look like this. ICT Billet assured me that I could use my stock alternator and stock truck power steering pump. We'll see. Well, I was so worried about the clearance from this, and this that I did not consider this. And my buddy Jim over in Spokane, who's also building a Mark IV with an LS engine, pointed out to me that I'm going to have clearance issues with that power steering pump and this steering rod right here. So he showed me the bracket and pulley system that he's getting. So I sent all that stuff back to ICT Billet and went ahead and bought the same system that he has, which it looks pretty darn good. By the way, you got to make sure you order the correct spacing on the water pump. This is a pump from a Corvette, and this is the pump from the Camaro, which is what I have. What I have here, because I'm using the stock pulley, crankshaft pulley from a truck engine. You could swap that out. I didn't see the need for that.